Did you buy a pre-sale condo recently? Do you know what to expect on the pre-sale inspection walkthrough? That's what's coming up next. Hi, this is Alex from Rural Pacific Realty in Vancouver, and this is Canadian content, eh? If you're new here, hello and welcome. I talk about everything real estate in the Vancouver area with new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Hit that subscribe button and that little bell because being a smart, savvy consumer is a good idea, eh? Buying a pre-sale in Vancouver is very popular. Most of these pre-sale projects get sold out within days. But when it's time to view your brand new unit, many buyers are surprised by the amount of deficiencies that can be found. Today I'm going to show you 8 things to look for in your pre-sale walkthrough. Number 1, uneven paint and overpaint. Number 2, non-sufficient caulking in the washrooms and the window. Number 3, settling and cracking in the drywall. Number 4, nail pops in the drywall. Number 5, scratches and imperfections on the flooring. Number 6, fixtures not secure. Number 7, cracks or chips found in the countertops. Number 8, check the floor plan. Make sure the unit is constructed as per the specs of the floor plan you purchased. The developer has some leeway in regards to the size of the unit. It will mention this in your contract, sometimes up to 5% smaller. I have seen buyers expecting to view a 3-bedroom home that was purchased, but the developer only constructed a 2-bedroom for them. Or in another situation, a 2-bedroom and a den became a 2-bedroom with an extra closet. If you encounter this, you should report this immediately to the developer. I also recommend having your lawyer drafting them up a separate letter asking for some sort of compensation. So after you view the unit, make sure to have the deficiency noted by the developer. If you don't record the deficiencies, the developer will forget about them. Also to note, the developer will still force you to complete the purchase of your unit regardless of the deficiencies you have found or are complete or not. If you have any questions about this topic, please feel free to reach out to me. If you're interested in buying a home in Vancouver, please watch my playlist over here. Question of the day, would you buy a pre-sale condo? Please leave it in the comments below. I'll try my best to personally answer all the comments myself. As always, please like, share, and subscribe and become a smart, savvy consumer. I make educational videos every Tuesday and videos every Friday. This is Alex from Vancouver, and thanks so much for watching this video. Eh?